How to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. So, have you encountered situation or problem like this? Like when you try to log into your Roblox, it needs a verification code, or of course the code that they have to send to your email in order for you to log into your account. But there are times when your email doesn't receive any verification code from Roblox. So what are you going to do with that is, of course, you have to resend your code or tap resend code just once. Okay, just once. And if still not working, you have to go to this use another verification method. Okay, so we have here for email, but they have to send you again. And of course, it's not working, right? For backup code, you can type your 9-digit code here, but just in case you forgot your backup code, then this one is useless. So you have to tap X again and go back to your Roblox. But don't worry, I'm going to show you another method for that. Okay, so you just have to go to your Proton VPN. If you have other VPN, it's okay. Connect your internet to any VPN. Like for now, I am connected to Netherlands. Once done, go back to your Roblox and you will be amazed with the result. Roblox will not ask for the code, but will just ask for verification. You see this one, right? Okay, tap the start puzzle, and all you have to do is just simply copy the first picture here. Okay, once done, click submit. And then once you tap submit, all you have to do is to wait for a couple of seconds and then you can log in now to your Roblox. As easy as that. If it's not functioning and working, you just have to refresh or reload the site or the page. So here it is. With the help of VPN, you are now logged in to your Roblox account. Now, if this VPN method doesn't work, there's one more thing to do. You just have to go to their support team. Okay, you just have to go to help and then click contact us. And then you just have to look for the form. Okay, I think it's above, so you have to scroll up and look for the form here. Okay, so here it is, support form. Tap this one under contact us. Provide your birth date first. Okay, and then you just have to fill out contact information here, username, first name, email address, confirm email address, issue details. Okay, so PC and then technical support or technical problem, something like that. Tap this technical support, description of issue. So you just have to type, I cannot receive the two-step verification code, something like that, and so on. You can add something to this. And then once done, all you have to do is to tap submit and wait for a couple of days or weeks. Wait for the support team to help you with this matter. As easy as that. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.